Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is now 29. I can't remember. It's gone up in price. I think it was 25, so I think it is close to 29. For 5 full-size products, you get to pick 3 out of the 5. Which I think is fabulous because BoxyCharm, as the competitor, you only get to pick 1. It's not really guaranteed either. They could run out. So let's see what we got in the bag. Oh, that song just sticks in my head. So I love Ipsy. I recently added this in August, I believe. And I think I might skip months, but you want to see what the 5 full-size products are? Let's get into it. So you do get a bag with every Ipsy. You get a bag. So this is January 2022, first bag of the year. Happy Vibes is the month's theme. If you haven't seen my Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $13 a month, it's fun size, mini size, travel size, itsy bitsy sizes. Go check that out. Okay, so fun bag, really cute. We got a card, Happy Vibes, hence the smiley face, even though I think it's a little bright for January, but that's just me. All right, so first thing, Bell and Argent. It's a reframing tinted eyebrow gel, and it's in the color dark brown. Let's see what it looks like. I have eyebrow products that I already like. Oh, this is quite hefty. I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet, but that's what it looks like. I don't have pricing, sorry. I like ABH, and I haven't tried the Wet n Wild, but I do have that to try out. And what's my other one that I really like? Milk. Okay, let me know what your favorite eyebrow product is. We got Hip Dot brushes. I believe this was my choice because these are cool. So they're all named. So we can open this package. I don't need any more brushes, but it's nice to try out different brands. And also these are great for giveaways. So they feel sort of like a pencil. But there they are. You get a eyebrow, eye smudge brush, cut creased all over, and blend brush. So that's a good thing. So far, not bad. What else do we have here? This is Koa Life, or Co-Life. Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner, 30 mLs. I love the teal color. It's actually like my second favorite color. Ooh, I love this. Is this glass? Yes. Mist Me. Let me see if it smells. Ooh. It smells clean. That's what I'll say. Let me put it on right. Okay. So, soothes and moisturizes, nourishes and calms the skin. This looks like some clean beauty product. Oh, let's see. Improves the appearance of skin tone, reduces visibility of aging. That looks good. Next, this kind of looks like something I would have picked. Galactic. I can't tell you what I picked. You know, cranberry sugar face scrub. This is 2.82 ounces. I like that Ipsy gives you the original packaging. So this looks really cute. Oh, it's really sealed, guys. So I don't want to open it just in case I do put this in a giveaway. And it has that sealed lid. I just broke that. So if you do receive it, sorry. But that sounds delicious. And last, I probably picked this. Kush Milk Kush mascara in Boom. That is just one of my favorite words, guys. So supposedly this is the before and after. I do already have like a few of these, so this will go in a giveaway. Let's just recap. This is the bag. We got the Kush mascara in Boom. Okay. We got Galactic Sugar Face Scrub. We got Co-Life Mist Me Toner. We got a brow product by Bell and Argent, and Hip Dot brushes. I think it was worth the 20 something dollars, $28, $29. I definitely think it's worth it. Will I use these products? I don't think so this month, even though the toner looks really cool. And if I didn't already have the mascara, that would be used. But I do think it's good variety, no repeats. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Which one would you like? Do you like this bag? Do you think it's worth it? Should I pause it? Should I skip a month? Should I just breathe because I already have a lot of stuff? You guys let me know. And until then, stay safe.